Okay, so y'all know I love a beginner friendly wig. This one is absolutely glueless, so you do not have to use any glue. I used a little bit of spray. You don't have to if you don't want to, because look at the edges. Super fluffy, super natural, and it's just gonna look like it's melting into the skin as soon as I put it on, which is exactly what I like. Now, since it's glueless, it does have an adjustable band in the back, so you can adjust it to how you want it to be. Now, here's the hair info. It does have 4 combs. It is an 8x5 closure technically wig. It is 18 inches and it has 4C edges with the HD lace hairline. I haven't done anything to this wig. Look, it's just sitting on top of my head and it's already melted into the skin. But since we don't have sideburns, I'm going to be using my own sideburns for the sides. Make sure that if you want this to look like super just natural, you incorporate your edges into the hairline. Now for me, I like to use just a little bit of spray just so that it can melt even more just at the top, just to make sure that it is all the way sealed. I only used it on that one spot just to make sure. Now for the curls, cute, right? I'm obsessed. Like, they are super juicy, but they're not tight to where I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to really get in here to detangle. The hair is super soft. It also didn't have any smell, which I loved. And as you can see, once you add some water, the curls are super juicy, which is what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Like I said, this is 18 inches. I am 5'6". So if you need a reference, this is how long it looks on me. As you can see, since this has 4C edges, there's nothing to really do here, but I am going to show you guys how it looks if you do define the edges on this wig. Like I said, make sure you incorporate, your sideburns on the side just to make it look really natural. I'm going to use just a little bit of curling cream on the edges so you guys can see how it looked if I were to define the curls on one side. As you can see, the left is fluffy and the right is looking defined. This is how it's looking, and we gotta make sure that we make those edges kind of match those sideburns. Yeah, keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls that want 10 and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. I'm so glad I finally found a wig that can look super natural without, having to do too much. This is a beginner friendly wig. Now for me, I wanted a little bit of layers. You don't have to do this. This is just something I like to do because I like layers to frame my face shape. But yeah, after I took that band off and just sprayed it a little bit at the top, it was perfect. Like, the melt in this wig is so HD. Like, look at this little hairstyle. The curls are so cute and just fluffy and gorgeous. Look at the edges, super fluffy. I like the edges personally better fluffy than I do with them to be defined. But you guys let me know what you guys think, if you like the edges like fluffed out or you like it like more defined. I'm gonna fluff them out a little bit more as I'm going on with this video. Just make sure you stay tuned to see that portion. And I'm also going to show y'all how I define these curls, because right now I did a little bit of water, but I want to finger coil these. So I want to show you guys exactly how to do that to make sure that you get the best definition out of the curls. Okay, enough with the hairstyles. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly like how they look fluffy with the edges. Like, I decided to just comb out those defined edges because I'm like, I really like it fluffy. So I played with it, kind of brushed it into the back of the hair, brushed it forward, brushed it back, and really got the edges that I was looking for. This is it. This is the super natural hairline that I'm looking for. This wig was so easy. I literally didn't do nothing. I didn't use any glue. I didn't use any heat, no hot comb. Put it on my head and used some water and just fluffed out those edges. And that was about it. Now, if you guys want to customize it some more, like I like to do, you can definitely do that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to define these curls. Get you some curl cream. You can also use some mousse. Just finger coil it around your finger, let it loose, and then let it dry. Once it's all dried out, you can like break the curls apart and fluff them out. They're gonna be super juicy and super defined. Money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 small starter. I can't let them down, walk around with my carter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls that want 10 and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Okay, so as y'all can see, all the curls are coiled. They're all done. This is it wet. And we're gonna wait for it. And right here, it was kind of like semi-dry. But I was like, let me go ahead and cut the ends because I kind of wanted to give it like more of a blunt look. So I cut the ends and kind of fluffed it out, played with it a little bit to get my desired look. And y'all, it's just giving natural, like super natural hairline. It just looks like a cute wig. Now, next time, I might have to do a braid out on this wig. That's gonna be cute. That's gonna really get those curls I really like. But this is it in the sunlight, so you guys can see, like in any lighting, it's really just gonna look completely melted. And that's what I like to see on the HD wigs. If you're gonna say it's an HD wig, make sure that you mean it's an HD wig. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, faves.